So guys, I want to try. Nagkameron ako kasi meron ng available dito sa Deliveroo. Nasa Abu Dhabi kasi ako. So, matagal-tagal din. So, ito siya. Fix yung original. How much this one thing? 70, 60 something? 68? So, ito na siya. Yung pistachio kunafa. Ayan. Last night lang ito. So, katabi ko si Bossing. Ayan siya. Ang kapal. It's hard. I can't. That's the... Ayan. It's thick. Bite like that one. It's hard. Kapal. Ayun, may crunch. I think I tried 3 different brand or 2. This is the original one. The 2 is not so much. This one, the kunafa, the green. It's really nice. Mahal. It's expensive though. Can I refrigerate? After 3 days only, they said. Not too sweet for me. Masarap. Masarap siya talaga yung original. Kasi nakatry ako sa day-to-day, yung sa Zen, ano ba yun? Zen sa, nabili ko sa, yung, nagawan ko yun ng video. Okay lang yun. Ito ano siya, more, kunafa siya talaga. Crunchy talaga. Hindi dinipid. Masarap nga ito. It's not too sweet, no?
No.
I like it. Ayun na maliit, like a sweet. Ayan na. Nitry ko na din. After how many months. You know, the shop, this one in Deliveroo, they open only 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock. I ordered the 5 o'clock one. What is 19 in the 24 hours? Then they close in the 19.
7.
So if 2 o'clock, then the next is 5 o'clock. Close 7 o'clock. May timing sila.